BLACKBERRY Key2 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's use the Chrome searcher. Tab accept and continue, choose no thanks. Now let's delete the history from Chrome. So let's use more key, choose history. And here let's choose clear browsing data. So here you can clear some basic stuff such as the browsing history, cookies and sites, and cached image and files, or you can choose advanced, and here you can also clear passwords, autofill form data, site settings, and media license. What's also really important, you can use the time range, so you can clear all the following section from the last hour, or for example from another period of time. Let me use from last 24 hours. Let's choose clear data, tap clear to confirm it, and that's it. There is no history here. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.